Hello from Slovenia again. Today I painted my canvas with black and I leave it like that, and I will try to do a reverse flower dip with black, pearl white, titanium white and gold. So I will start with black. And I mix my paints a little thicker today because I want that my shapes of the petal will stay a little more in the shape, or how can I say that? Maybe too much gold. And titanium white. And black, I hope that I will not get a lot of gray. And pearl white again. And black again. And gold, not as much as I added last time. And titanium white. I just hope that these petals will not just flow on, you know, because they don't spread. Pearl white again. And black again. And gold again. Black. Titanium. I should add titanium white next to gold, so I messed up my order. But now it is what it is. Pearl white again. And black again, and I have my phone. Just a second, just to move it down. Okay, I did it. Where am I? You see, this paint just flows. One on top of each other. I don't know. Maybe I should just stop. You see? It's pearl white. And black. And gold. and titanium white. And black. And pearl white and black, and this will be it. Because I just think that all my paint will just flow on top of each other instead of maybe because it's thicker than I normally use. So I will bring some black towards the edges just to create a little something, and I will leave this middle part like it is, and I will spray my napkin. Where is my spray bottle? Where is my spray bottle? I lost my spray bottle. Where are you? Oh, I found it. Sometimes things hiding. They are not, but it looks like. Okie dokie. Let's put this down. And the other half. See how weird it's looking. And let's see what is happening underneath. Oops. Totally not what I was expecting. See? Whew! Just weird. Let's torch this. And I did get a lot of gray because of blue. Blue. Where did I get blue? Because of white and black together. But it's not so bad, but I don't like this edge around, so I will just pour paint and smooth it down a little bit. With my palette knife, I will push my paint towards these edges, and then I will even maybe tilt this a little bit, because I don't like this edge here. Okay, let's turn this around. Just have to add a little more here. Probably it should look nice if I would have my black base down, because it is nice, but I'll just try to tilt a little bit just to make sure. That I will not have kind of a heel here in the middle where I did a flower. Just want to make sure that it will cooperate, no, marry. It's kind of strange because I have a lot of gold here and a lot of gray there. I don't know why. But I kind of like it. Not completely. Just try to play a little bit with the straw. Okay, better. Much better. Let me take you down for a close-up. I didn't turn it. Okay, it should be like this, I think, because I kind of like it this way. Sorry for the glare. I did get some of this, I don't know, greenish look with gold and black, but probably not as much if I would use just black and gold, because I want this gold to go over titanium white. So an experiment again, that it turned out kind of successful, not completely, but still this looks nice. But I would love to have a little gold there too, so I just don't know where I lost it. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.